Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my July unboxing for you, and today it is just Ipsy. We do not have Yoga Club like we did in June. We'll have it again in August. So today it is just Ipsy, but I actually want to start out this video with a little bit of a haul. So there's actually two more things that haven't come in yet, or one more thing that hasn't come in yet. But I'm going to go ahead and probably do my own separate video on that, so I'm not going to worry about including it in this video, but I have just picked up a few things recently from Ulta that I wanted to show you guys. So two of these things I got today, actually that's a lie, pretty much all of these things I got today, but one of them was an online order and one of them was an in-person shop. So the in-person shop, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I picked up the Almay Best Blend Forever foundation. This has SPF 40, as you can see it was $4.29, and I got it in the shade 130 Neutral. So I went ahead and bought this because I need a moisturizing foundation. The foundation that I have right now is just not good for my skin. It just dries me out, and it's just like, it's a good foundation, but it just, for me, it is too drying, and so I needed a moisturizing foundation, and Almay claims to have a lot of moisturizing components in their foundations, and so I wanted to go ahead and get this and try it out, and because it was so cheap, I was like, okay, yeah, sure, why not? So like I said, I got the shade 130 Neutral, and I did kind of like put it on the portion between my face and my neck to make sure that it would match my neck, and it did. So I'm excited to try this out, and I really hope this works out, and I definitely needed a new foundation before I went and did my play in a few weeks, so had to have a new one for that. So I was excited to buy that. And then because that was so cheap and I had a little bit more money, I went ahead and picked up the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in Peaches and Cream. So my Fix Plus is basically on its last leg over here. I don't have a lot left. So I wanted to pick up a new fixing spray, priming spray, that type of thing. And so I heard Miss Paige Corin talk about this one, or Paige Corin on YouTube. She talked about this and raved about it and talked about the scent, and oh, you guys, Peaches and Cream, you can't beat it. And so I've already sprayed it on my face today, and I already really like it, and again, I just live for the smell, and so I'm really excited to try this out and play around with it a little bit more, use it as, like something to make my shadows more shimmery and more like bold, and I'm excited to play around with this. And so I also just really like the packaging. I think like the orange packaging to match the Peaches and Cream, I just think it's very like fun and summery, and I don't know, it's just cute. I'm into it. And so for my online order, they were doing a one-day deal where if you bought any eyeshadow palette, you would get a deluxe size Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, which I've never tried before, and I've actually been really into trying new mascaras, so I was like, heck yeah, okay, let's go for it. I'm into it. So I did go ahead and I got the eyeshadow palette I'll show you in a second, but I did get the Lights Camera Lashes mascara, so I'm excited to try this out. I've heard a lot about this, a lot of people use it, and I'm curious to see how it works on my lashes. So the eyeshadow palette that I bought is the ColourPop Pressed Powder Palette in Soul. And so the reason I bought this, so this is what it looks like actually. I'll go ahead and show you first. The reason I bought this is because, as you guys know, I had to throw out my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette a few months ago. And so I haven't had a lot of luck getting like warm palettes. Like obviously the Jaclyn Hill palette is extremely warm. But I haven't had anything that's been like warm and peachy. There's not a lot of peachy shades in any of my palettes, and so I needed something that was like peachy and summery and corally and fun. And so I went ahead and bought this, mostly for these two shades up top right here, which is New Digs and Dynamite, and then this shade on the bottom here that's like orange, which is called Ooh. It's called Ooh, Triple O. So I was just excited to buy it, and I know ColourPop shadows are really, really good. I have their Super Shock shadows, but I've never tried their pressed powder shadows. So I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and give it a shot. And so it has really sturdy packaging, and again, there's 9 colors in here, and I got it for, I think it was $9.99. So I was like, okay, yeah, that's a great deal. And again, I got a mascara out of it, so this is what I ordered. And so yeah, that's my little 4-item haul for you guys. But I'm really excited to try these out, and I hope that they work. And for the record, the 5th item is one of the new ColourPop lip crayon duos, and I think it's like Coconut's About You or something like that. Whatever the coconut one was. Um, excuse me. So they're basically like chubby sticks, like the Revlon chubby sticks. They're basically the lip crayon ColourPop versions of those, and I got them in 2 nude shades. So I'm really excited to do a video on that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy unboxing. Also, before we get into it, I want to address one thing, which will then lead me to address another. So obviously, as you can see, I'm in another sweatshirt again, and that is because I am peeling extremely badly from sunburn that I got on Saturday. So it's not a cute look right now, covering it up. And that brings me to, I want to apologize for not getting a video up on Wednesday this week. I mentioned in my last video that I was going to do a vlog of my Ocean City day trip on Saturday, and I did. I started to. I had some good footage, and then I got to the beach, and of course, like, I'm at the beach and I'm trying to relax, so I kind of got distracted. But then my mom and I both got extremely burned. Like, it was very painful for us to move at all. We looked like a hot mess, and we were just exhausted. Like, how when you get sunburn, you just get completely exhausted, you're like sun tired. Yeah, we were that. And so basically everything that happened after that, I either forgot to film or the footage was just so terrible because I wasn't motivated to film anymore. And I wasn't, so like I got a good amount of footage, but a lot of it is just me talking, and like, you guys don't want to hear that all the time. Especially like in a vlog, you kind of want to see what I'm doing with my day. And so I wasn't overly proud of what that video would have been, and so I elected to not upload it. So I'm sorry, I know I told you guys that I was going to have that up, and I did really want to, but yeah, things just kind of went wrong, and it just didn't end up happening, and I wasn't proud of it, and I'm not going to put up anything that I'm not proud of. So, but I am going back to Ocean City at the end of the summer, and I will try to vlog that for you, and that should be one of my first videos back after I go back to school. So yeah, just wanted to bring that up, wanted to apologize. Anyway, let's get on to the Ipsy unboxing. So I already took it out of its package because that can be kind of loud on my camera sometimes. And actually the first thing that came out is the coffee scrub in French vanilla. So this is Sexy Skin. It's just a scrub away. So it's antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils which neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. Wow. Moisturize, exfoliate, and protect you from I cannot talk today. Oh my gosh. Residual dirt and damage. Organic oils and vitamins like grapeseed oil, almond oil, vitamin E, and Arabica beans. Your skin will appear radiant, feel silkier, and smell wonderful. Well, I love coffee, and I love scrubs. I'm excited to try this. I actually love French vanilla coffee. That's like my favorite flavor of coffee, so I might have to try this out like tonight or tomorrow. That's very exciting. I'm into it. So this is what the bag looks like. Very tropical, very summery, perfect for July. And again, like always, I do kind of know what's in here, but it's been a little while since I've checked, so it will be a surprise, but not a surprise, if that makes sense. So the first thing that I pull out is an eyeshadow, a single eyeshadow from the Balm in What's the Tea? It's called Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini. Whoa. You guys, that is so purple and sparkly. It's not, my camera is not doing it justice right now, but it is like lavender purple with so much sparkle. There looks to be a little bit of like blue and gold reflux in it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so pretty. That's gonna be a gorgeous lid shade. Oh my gosh. Again, you can't really pick up the purple on my camera because my camera lighting and my room lighting is terrible. But that is so pretty. That is like a frosty purple with like gold specks shimmer in it, and it's got like gold reflex in it. I am all about that. I'm gonna be playing that with that so much. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. And I've tried a few products from the Balm, but I haven't tried them a whole lot, so I'm excited to play around. So here's the card. Okay. Right, so I have a moisturizer in here, I have the scrub, I have a brush, I have a bronzer blush duo, and I have the eyeshadow. Oh, so actually the eyeshadow is called He Said, She Said, according to this. Interesting. I don't know where that is. Oh, okay, it's actually like right under there. He said, she said. Gosh. So yeah, we've seen 2 of the products. Let's go ahead and just, okay, we're pulling out the bronzer blush duo. So this is from the brand Pacifica, which I've tried Pacifica products before from Ipsy, and I really like them. Obviously, you guys know I love that Pacifica highlighting cream. I use that a lot. So this is the Bronze Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. Very cute packaging, very floral. Oh no, there's the stickers on it. Hate these stickers. Hold up. I'm about to just rip into this thing. Screw preserving packaging. Also, if you hear things in the background, my cat is currently chasing a fly. So, if you hear scuffling, it's probably her. Alright, whoa. Yo, they have a real nice mirror on the back of this. Holy cow. I'm not, like, trying to blind you guys, but, like, that is a sizable mirror. Okay, so I'm not crazy about the clear lid. I don't tend to like clear lids on powder products. I just think it's kind of, like, cheap looking. I don't know. It's just not my personal preference. But that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that blush is everything. So it's like a berry blush with shimmery reflex in it. Ooh. You can kind of see it there on my hand. That's so pretty. And then the bronzer looks a little dark. Very gray toned, I can tell. Actually, you can't even really see that on my hand. But I don't know if that'll be a good shade for me. It's a little more gray, and I have a lot of warmth into my skin because I have, like, red undertones in my skin. But I will certainly try it and see how it works out. I'm so excited about that blush, though. I don't even need the bronzer. I just want the blush. Okay, so that's really cool. And then the last product, as I mentioned before, is a moisturizer. It's from Glam Glow. It's the Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I've never tried anything from Glam Glow before. This is really exciting. Wow, that just came out of nowhere. Okay. Man, I can't get the lid back on. What is wrong with me today, guys? So, that's that. Oh my gosh. That is soft. Oh my gosh, my skin feels like a baby's butt. Oh, and that smells so good. Is that supposed to have a smell to it? Oh my gosh, that's like, it's something from my childhood and I can't. It smells kind of like a creamsicle. Like a really peachy creamsicle. Wow. That is. Wow, I can't stop smelling it. It's so good, and I can't quite figure out what it, like, reminds me of, but it's something orange from, like, my childhood, like an orange creamsicle snowball. Holy cow. Need to stop. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, that was everything that was in the Ipsy. I'm very excited to try out these products. That coffee scrub, all into it. I'm really excited about the blush and the blush bronzer duo. I love the smell of that moisturizer, and my skin feels so soft right now. What was the other thing? Oh, and that eyeshadow is going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous lip color. So I'm really hoping that all of these work out, and I'm very excited about it. And I'm also really excited to try out these other products that I showed you guys in my haul at the very beginning. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video or found it interesting. I hope you guys liked your Ipsy bags as well, if you got them too. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody.